Hi guys, I'm sure you all love that classic red lip makeup look that you only see on celebrities. Well, today I'm going to tell you how to recreate that look. My hair? Check. My nails? Check. All I'm left with is my makeup, so let's begin. Now apply the BB cream all over your face in small dots. Make sure that you don't forget your neck. Now I'm going to blend it with my fingers first.
And then use a damp sponge to blend it properly. Use a concealer to hide all the imperfections. To get that perfect celebrity face, sculpt your face with a brown eyeshadow. Fill in all the empty areas of your eyebrows using a brown eyeshadow or even a kajal. For a natural fresh look, apply a hint of blush on the apples of your cheeks. Apply a nude eyeshadow on your eyelid and brow bone area. Then use a brown or bronze eyeshadow on the crease of your eyelids and blend both the shades really well. Once you're done, tightline your upper lash line with a kajal, flicking it from the corners. Voluminize your eyelashes with a generous coat of mascara. I'm done with my eyes, and for that extra glow, I'm going to highlight the highest points of my face with a white eyeshadow. Last but not the least, complete your look with a gorgeous red lip color.
And I'm done. Do let me know what you think about this look in the comment section below, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.